this is right. It goes right here. And then you connect this part to the camera. I'm going to test it in a second. Just give me a second, guys. And this is the charger. I think. Yeah, this is the charge. I'm getting it right here. Let's see what this is right here. I can't even get this out. Jesus. They got this thing here so good. I can't even get it out. So good. I think this the little piece. This little piece for the receiver too, I think. Yeah. I think so. I think this is for your phone. Like if you want to use it for your phone and stuff. That's good to have. And then this is the other mics. Hey, you know what's so crazy? I like these mics because they magnetic, so they stick to your shirt, I think. I think so because they got this little thing on the back. I think it sticks to your shirt. Or you can clip it. I'd rather clip it, you know. I'd rather clip it like this. Yeah, I'd rather clip it like this. And I'm good to go, you know. I don't think I'm gonna use the magnetic though, like that. Yeah. I'm just glad that they give you 2 of these. You know what I'm saying? You get 2 mics. Get 2 mics, man. Get 2 mics. That's pretty good, man. I think I paid like $100 plus tax. Like $105 for these. I noticed that on TikTok they like $200 on TikTok for some reason. But I went on Amazon. So we're gonna be we're gonna test these out. So I'm gonna put this one in there. Back in the case, guys. I like this case. It's like I can tap on the case. I like this case, man. You can tap on it. And then you got your little bag that it comes in. It's pretty cool, man. So I'm gonna test it. So let me see y'all in a second. Alright, guys. So now the mic is connected. I'm testing out the audio from the mic to the camera. I think it sounds good. What y'all done? Y'all let me know in the comment section. Did the audio sound good to y'all with the new mics? I'm gonna start using my camera more to record my videos, just to see how it do, you know. And we got these right here. Excuse my background. Some birds is outside my house or whatever. My neighbors got animals and stuff. Yeah, got these. We got these. They got the gray and black ones. And they got the all black ones too. I like the all black ones. It just look good. The all black ones I think is better to be me personally. I like the black ones better. Which one y'all like the best? I like the black ones, but I always get these. I like the black ones better. Me personally. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy. You know, I just don't know another company that would give you this many things for your mics. They give you 4 of them, 4 in a little package. Like what other company? Like what other company you know is gonna give you? It's gonna give you 4 of these like this. I don't know another company that's gonna give you 4 of these just like this. You know what I'm saying? This was a good deal. And I like this bag too. I can use this bag just to carry it in, you know. It's so soft, and it got the name on the bag as well. And so if y'all wanna get y'all some of these, man, y'all should. Let's try some ASMR sounds with these mics. I'm actually happy about this. I really can say this. I like these a lot. I'm just gonna make sure I keep them away from my kids. You know, my kids love picking up my stuff off my desk, so I'm gonna make sure I keep these in this little bag so they don't know what's in here. So this the box that it comes in. It comes just like this. And it gets a little package, and it gives you like directions. And it says this little piece right here, you can connect it to your phone as well. This little piece, you could use it for your phone too. So that's good. Yeah, I'm saying. So that's good. So this actually was a good deal because I was looking for like a good mic that I can use for my camera and my phone. Cause sometimes when you buy a mic, it don't always work with your phone. It'll just work with your camera and not your phone. Cause I got some more. I got some more mics that's on my desk right now that I bought. I can't even use right now because So, like my iPhone 16 Plus, right? It didn't come like the mics that I already got. It didn't come with cause you know, like the 16 Plus, it uses the Android chargers now. So that's the only thing that sucks about my other mics. So I just feel like I wasted a lot of money with those mics. So this is a good deal. I'm glad I did this. So y'all give me a thumbs up for this video, man. Make sure y'all smash that like and subscribe. Turn your notification bells on, man. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all had a good day today. I'm gonna be doing some videos with this because I got another video that I did. I haven't posted for y'all. I did look. I did a video for my headphones the other day, but I haven't posted it yet because I've been waiting on this. So now I guess I'm gonna post that video probably tomorrow, and I'm gonna probably post this one probably today or tonight when I get a chance to put it together and put it on